Hi, I'm Brittany from prettyhandygirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to clean this farmhouse sink, especially if you've got scratches in it. When I renovated our kitchen, I absolutely had to have a farmhouse sink. I was determined that I would love it forever, and I did until it started developing dark scratches from my cast iron pans. Well, today I'm going to show you how to virtually eliminate, get rid of, or make invisible those scratches in your cast iron sinks, porcelain sinks, whatever.
To make your sink look new again, we're going to start by cleaning it. You can use dish soap or your favorite cleanser and a sponge. For a more eco-friendly cleaner, put a drop of dish soap and baking soda on your sponge and scrub your sink. Then add a little bit of vinegar and rinse it all down the drain. Your cast iron sink should be clean now, but you might still have some scratches or marks on the surface. That's okay because it's time to break out the Kohler cast iron sink cleaner. This is Miracle in a bottle. Pour a small amount directly onto the marks and discoloration. Use a clean dry paper towel to buff the cleanser into the scratches. Rinse the sink with water and look, the marks disappeared. Any true scratches won't come out, but they will visually disappear. This is the cleaner that was recommended by our kitchen designer when we bought our sink. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Honestly, if I didn't know about this cleaner, I would have been disappointed with our farmhouse sink a long time ago because it does get a fair amount of scratches from cast iron pots and pans. But with regular use of the cast iron sink cleaner, I can keep my farmhouse sink looking brand new.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl. And go, what are you doing? Hey, take your ball and go, come here. Show them, come here, get it.